Here we are at Inneston National Park. It's sunset, but there is no sun. So I was hoping for a good sunset, but there's a lot of clouds in the way. So instead, I'm hoping to get some shots of the waves, because there's a lot of that. So what I'm wanting is a wave to just come on that rock right there and smash. Like that. But I got the shot. Gonna wait for a big wave to splash over that rock. Something a bit bigger, hopefully. Let's see. Oh, we've got a bird. That could have been good. Oh, it's raining now quite a bit. Oh, that's heavy. That is heavy rain. Well, that was exciting. That's it for the first day. I'm here at Cape Spencer. It's very windy. It's just stopped raining, so I'm hoping I'll get some shots of the sunrise. This is an interesting shot. Quite like it. It looks like it's about to pour, so I am going to head back to the car and see what happens. Just finished raining and I'm quickly getting out before it rains again because these clouds look awesome. That looks amazing. Right now we're running back to the car because that rain is coming in real quick. The rain has just passed us again and it's all over there now. We have got a rainbow. You see that? Rainbow. So we're at West Cape again for another sunset. This time it's not stormy, instead we've got clear sky. So I've got the 150 to 500mm lens and hopefully gonna get some wildlife shots. I would love a shot of a bird flying in front of the sunset. And we're on the beach finally. Oh yes, that bird is perfect. Whoa. That's the end of this video, this road trip at Inneston National Park.